Go ahead, go to school. The baby sussy amoga school. That's funny. You use inspect element. Best thing my teachers taught me, keep my eyes on my own paper. That's right. Eyes on the prize. Minor spelling mistake, I win. That's right. You kind of look like Obama. Me petting my cat in the fiery depths of hell, we were responsible for the nuclear attacks. Yeah, Undertale roleplay with Kanye West, that's right. Mike Tyson enjoying powdered donuts at a house party in 1988. I don't think that's powdered sugar. I went to the bathroom without my mom. That's right on Heisenberg / Walter White. You're laughing, they just diagnosed Candace with DN, and you're laughing. Who's Candace? When mom says it's time to leave the reptile store, I haven't fed the turtle yet. Today's my Reddit cake day. Why the f did I just spend 1 year on this godforsaken website? What the f is wrong with me? Yeah, dude, your testosterone levels have probably, like, gotten to a quarter of what they once were. I'm sorry, but you didn't do the Wario. He's got the Nerf Maverick. I have one of those. R/PC Master Race users would be like, this life support machine was pre-built. Pretty much. Among Us. Oh, that guy doesn't look too good. Girlfriend watching Usain Bolt finish in 9.58 seconds. Girl watch, yeah, 9.58 seconds. That's why you gotta work on your game, bro. Gotta work on your endurance. Girls making a username, should it be Jessica_Rose or Jessica.Rose? This is though. This is tough, I think it's what it's trying to say. Boys making a username, can't decide if I should make it War Crimes Enjoyers 69420 or Tabard as in Bosnia. I don't know, they're both pretty good. Hey guys, maybe you're thank you for watching. Follow my Twitter and my Instagram. I don't have anything else to say. Have a good day. Thank you.
That's you! That's you! That is you!